Are you ready to witness the future unfold right before your eyes? Today, we're delving deep into the realm of home exterior designs, and we've handed the reins over to artificial intelligence to craft the most breathtaking, avant-garde concepts you've ever seen. From the innovative to the extraordinary, prepare to be captivated as we explore the seamless fusion of AI brilliance and architectural magnificence. Get ready to redefine curb appeal and elevate your home's exterior to unprecedented levels of style and sophistication. Join us on this AI-driven adventure as we unveil the homes of tomorrow designed today. And there you have it, design enthusiasts. We've embarked on an exhilarating journey through the world of AI-crafted home exterior designs. 18 phenomenal slideshows generated have unfolded, each a testament to the harmonious dance between artificial intelligence and architectural ingenuity. Whether you're drawn to sleek modernity, timeless classics, or futuristic marvels, our AI has curated a collection that transcends boundaries. We hope these designs have sparked your imagination and inspired you to reimagine the facade of your own living space. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Which design resonated with you the most? We'd love to hear your take on the marriage of AI and architecture.